Hi guys, welcome back to Engine Braking. Last time you joined me I was changing the roof on my MR2 Roadster, or Spider as you like to call them across the pond. This is by no means the end. There's a hell of a lot left to do, as you will see over the coming weeks, and we are moving on today to the subframe, which needs a repair because it's got a hole in it as usual. I've had to replace the subframe with a different one, as you will see, as mine was too far gone. But yeah, hopefully you'll enjoy the experience of seeing me try to repair this thing and do some welding, which I'm rubbish at. Hopefully it'll be at least mildly entertaining. Thanks for joining me. Cheers guys. Asking what the hell are you doing out here in this, but as any car nut knows, sometimes you just gotta crack on, whether you like it or not, whether the conditions are right or not. So I'm back on with the subframe. I'm going to try and grind the rust off it and generally give it all rubbed down before getting it ready for paint, and try and get something inside it to protect it a little because it rot from inside out. But this one will have started that process already, so don't know how long it'll last. The only foolproof way to get around that is to buy a new one, but they're expensive, so I bought one off a guy who said this had no rot. Turned out it had a little piece that was gone, but it wasn't in the usual place in the middle, so I've patched it with some thick 2mm steel, which should be better than what it was made from originally, if not the same. It won't be any thicker than that. I'm not a welder. It's the best I can do, so we'll see what happens. We'll see if it goes through the next MOT and if it lasts more than a few months. Now, time to get my grind on.
myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.
Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation.
So I'm afraid that's it for today, as the subframe still hasn't actually gone back on the car yet, and these videos were filmed probably 6 weeks ago now. I'm a little bit behind. There's been a lot of work to do between the subframe coming off and being repaired and it going back on the car, including the clutch, dropping the gearbox off obviously, having problems with that because nothing goes smoothly on this channel, and yeah, there's a bit of welding that's had to be done, which, as you'll know from this video, I absolutely love because I'm so great at it. And yeah, unless you live in California, these are the problems that you have with these cars, and many others of this era, to be fair. But yeah, hopefully you'll come back and you'll continue following the journey, and yeah, I appreciate you all joining me, and if you can give me a like and a subscribe, that supports me and encourages me to keep going. If you don't want to do that, you just want to watch the videos, absolutely fair enough, and once again I'll thank you for coming and watching. I'll see you next time.